SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. So we're gonna dive straight in. You know what I mean? We had, of course, a new month. You know what I mean? So, of course, full top down, it's coming. Also, we had a break of structure on a daily time frame. You know what I mean? So dive in, let y'all know what go back to what I said previously and let you know what transpired since my last video, which leads us to current price action and the direction of the market and where price is going. But here on the monthly time frame, you know what it is. It would swing to swing, price then retraced, and is encountering this continuation. And again, when price created this swing high, price created equal highs. Coming up, price pierced those equal highs, showing respect. Also, closing above this, which gave the monthly a higher high, you know what I mean? But piercing those highs, showing respect, and then again on this candle, piercing these highs and showing respect, and in the midst of that, created these equal highs. You know what I mean? So we then price had pushed up, and we said, or I said, just looking at price action, understanding that price showed respect to these equal highs, and when showing respect to these equal highs, price created another set of equal highs. And I said, just based on that, we would, see price or anticipate price to respect these equal highs also. But it's the monthly time frame. Of course, price just closed above these equal highs. So now it's the monthly time frame. So to determine what price is doing inside of this monthly price action, we scale down to the weekly to get a more microscopic view of what price is doing here, like right now. But again, this expansion here, creating monthly structure, monthly higher low here, and price is creating higher highs now currently, and coming into take profit one of this monthly move from swing to swing. Take profit 1, 2, 3, and 4, and price achieved and then counter take profit 1, and which brings us to current price action. Scale down to the weekly. So inside of that monthly price action, price encountered swing to swing, creating this retracement here, creating equal highs and equal lows, creating this range. Price then came down, piercing the equal lows that was created in this retracement, which led us to believe and to anticipate this continuation to the upside, which transpired. Attacking and targeting these equal highs that was established in this retracement. So now price from swing to current price action, which looks like, price 2 days and 4 hours, we are in the weekend, could possibly be that swing high here, from swing to swing. But, we just wait until price closes. So 2 days and 4 hours until the close of this weekly time frame, and we'll see where price is then. So understanding that price encounter this swing to swing, retrace, and this continuation. We got this impulsive move, and now price has like traded sideways and now pushing down. So we see what price is doing here, and after coming into these take profit levels, you know what I mean, we can anticipate price to retrace or start selling, because coming into take profit levels, money would be coming out of the market, and this would be the reaction of money coming out of the market. You know what I mean? So swing to swing is what price is encountering now, or encountering this swing, and now to determine what price is doing here in this weekly price action on this weekly time frame, we scale down to the daily to determine what price is doing right now inside of that weekly price action, inside of that weekly time frame. So same thing, looking at price. Remember, let me see. Let me see some. Let me show you some. I just wanna do just the weekly time frame, right? Just so you can see, you know, that we are just going inside of this weekly price action. As you can see, this bullishness here was the bullish leg on the weekly time frame, and now this price action is this sideways chop on that weekly time frame, right? So now say this is where we were, right? In my last video, right? Um, we was looking at this price action, you know, as the retracement. We seen that price created these equal highs and equal lows. Price then also had created this higher low by closing above this higher high, creating new highs or a new high, which establishes as daily higher low, which was the daily structure. And then once price encountered that, we got this internal retracement inside of this bullish engulfing, or this Marabosal, right? And we came down inside of this bullish Marabosal, retracing inside of it, and understanding price created these equal highs and equal lows as the retracement. We wanted to see price come down and sweep these lows in this range. If this is a retracement or a corrective price action of this impulsive move, right? We get this corrective price action, this range, creating highs and lows. And if price is going to continue to the upside, we will see price dip down, taking the lows, and then targeting the highs. So price, we got the target of the lows, and we can anticipate price to come up and target these highs, right? Now, this is impulsive corrective, and coming into this, showing respect here at this daily structure, the bullishness off of this level is the continuation. So with doing so, we get the continuation, and then price not targeting the highs after targeting the lows and coming up, we will want to see price take out these highs, creating new highs, right? That will solidify the bullish price action. But in doing so, supposedly, or when price was supposed to target the highs, price did not. You know what I mean? So we know what price did. It came up, created another set of equal highs, as you can see. Created another set of equal highs, not attacking these equal highs that were already established after taking the lows. We created another set of equal highs, and price pushed down. Coming down into this daily structure again, right? Coming up, creating another set of equal highs, and now price pushed down, targeting this low that was established after price pierced these lows. So now price is, or has shown to respect highs, creating highs, and has targeted the lows. So this continuation out of this internal retracement was a failed continuation, and then we see the results. You know what I mean? So daily breaker structure. So now daily structure is bearish after encountering this on yesterday, and you see what price is doing. And knowing that when you encounter a daily breaker structure, you will encounter a buy or sell on the weekly time frame. So seeing that we encountered this daily bullish breaker structure, we can anticipate for price to sell on the weekly time frame because of what we encountered here on the daily. Now, on the weekly time frame, encountering this swing, this impulsive move, price selling here will just be a retracement for this bullish move. We got higher low. We know price weekly structure here, higher low, and this will be a higher high, and we can anticipate a continuation. Well, we know that this will be a retracement, but we'll see what type of price action we are encountering in this supposed retracement, because if price, we got this impulsive and then another so we'll see what type of price action we are encountering. So we'll see what type of price action we are encountering. But as you can see now, price respecting highs. So look, we got a set of equal highs here, equal lows here, 105, 104, and then equal lows here at 107, 350. So we know price is targeting lows now. And then we got the weekly structure level here. And then, where is the money? You know what I'm saying? So we see what price is doing here on the daily inside of that weekly time frame. And, you can scale down to the 12-hour to determine and see what price is doing on the 12-hour inside of that daily time frame. And, as you can see, as you can see, price, on a 12-hour, just showing, just more structured view of what's going on inside of that daily time frame. Basically the 12-hour, daily split in two. So see what price is doing. Price created equal highs here, and that's pushed down aggressively and still pushing. You know what I mean? Like I said, equal lows there and equal lows there. Targets. You know what I'm saying? Giving us this retracement or this sale inside of that bullish weekly expansion. And we can tap down into the 4 hour, see what type of price action, see what type of price action price is encountering on the 4 hour at these levels. You feel me? So this is what it is. My special 90-minute. But this what it is. This what it's hitting for. Full top down for you. You know what I mean? Full top down. And then, oh shoot. Uh-oh. Yeah, okay. I did like, you know what I'm saying, charted this up just to see, this goal for y'all. You know what I mean? All the gold bugs. Let's see. Yeah. So for all the gold bugs, this is what price is doing here on gold currently. Let's see. Okay. Get y'all right real quick. That's what it looks like. Uh, yeah, that's what that look like, but again, yeah, I know how I came in. Oh wait, I ain't seen it. I ain't been on here in a minute. But look, yeah, take these out. Target. Target. Okay. Ew. Put your heard it here first, baby. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader.